Welcome to today's video where we'll be showcasing the top 6 must-have tools for every DIY enthusiast and professional alike. Whether you're working on home repairs, car maintenance, or woodworking, these tools will make sure you have everything you need to get the job done efficiently. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. HILDA Electric Riveter Gun. First up is the HILDA Electric Riveter Gun. This powerful tool works as a riveting drill adapter, making it a fantastic choice for a range of DIY projects. It's designed to work with your electric drill, turning it into a versatile riveting machine. Number 5. Air-Powered Drain Blaster Gun. Up next is the Air-Powered Drain Blaster Gun. This is a must-have tool for tackling clogs and blockages in your home's plumbing system. If you're tired of dealing with slow drains, the Air-Powered Drain Blaster will clear the pipes in a flash. It's a high-pressure manual tool designed to quickly clear out blockages in toilets, sinks, and drains using compressed air. Made from durable ABS plastic and rubber, it's built to last while providing efficient performance. The tool's 27.5 cm x 28.5 cm size makes it ideal for reaching into pipes and toilets, and it's incredibly easy to use. Simply seal the tool over the affected area, pull the trigger, and let the powerful blast of air do the work. This tool is ideal for keeping your plumbing running smoothly and eliminating those frustrating clogs in no time. Number 4. 40 Nm Cordless Electric Wrench. The 40 Nm cordless electric wrench is another essential tool that every DIYer needs in their collection. This 12V ratchet wrench by Prestormer is compact yet powerful, with a 40 Nm torque and a no-load speed of 230 RPM, making it perfect for removing screws and nuts quickly and efficiently. It's ideal for car repairs, furniture assembly, and any other task that requires a ratchet wrench. The cordless feature makes it easy to use without being tethered to a wall outlet, and the 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power. The compact design makes it easy to handle, and the 3/8-inch drive size fits most standard sockets. Whether you're fixing your car or assembling furniture, this electric wrench will save you time and effort with its smooth and powerful performance. Number 3. RZ Digital Level Angle Gauge. Next up is the RZ Digital Level Angle Gauge. This is a must-have tool for anyone who needs to measure angles with precision. The digital inclinometer features a large LCD backlight display, which makes it easy to read measurements, even in low-light conditions. It has a sensitive response, providing fast and accurate readings, and the strong magnet on the bottom allows it to easily attach to metal surfaces, making measurements a breeze. This tool also features a 0 button, allowing you to reset the angle for relative measurements. Whether you're a construction worker, carpenter, or DIY enthusiast, this tool will provide you with the accurate angle measurements needed for perfect cuts and alignments. It's particularly useful for tasks such as framing, tiling, and other construction projects where precision is key. Number 2. DIY Sanding Belt Adapter. For woodworking and metalworking enthusiasts, the DIY Sanding Belt Adapter is a game changer. This tool converts your standard electric angle grinder into a belt sander, making it versatile for sanding wood, metal, plastic, and more. With a belt speed range of 900, 1800 RPM, and a maximum input power of 800 W, this sanding adapter can handle a variety of materials with ease. The adapter fits grinders with M10 or M14 threads, and it's compatible with 100 mm, 115 mm, and 125 mm grinders. Number 1. LAMEZIA Multifunctional Pocket Pliers. At number 1, we have the LAMEZIA Multifunctional Pocket Pliers. This compact tool is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile, all-in-one tool that can handle various tasks. Whether you're camping, doing home repairs, or working on a DIY project, these pliers have you covered. It includes nipper pliers, standard pliers, a steel wire cutter, a bottle opener, a can opener, a Phillips screwdriver, a saw, a knife, and even a fish scaler. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.